Hello and welcome to part 12 of the video series Cisco UCCE 12.X Build Your Own Lab. In this video I'm going to be installing Cisco Finesse. I've got my administration PC here and I'm going to open up browser. Then going to go to VMware 10.100 0.4. Going to now log in as root. Going to click on Navigator. I'm going to click on Storage, Data Store 1. Going to do data store browser, click on ISOs, I'm going to create directory, I'm going to call that Finesse, I'm going to click on Finesse, I'm going to click on upload, and in my downloads directory I'm going to scroll down to the Finesse ISO. Click open and we will wait for the ISO to upload. I'm going to go ahead and pause until it's finished. Okay, the ISO has finished uploading, so we'll go ahead and close. We'll go back to virtual machines, create and register VM. Deploy virtual machine from OVF template. Click next. This one's going to be called Lab Finesse 01. Click here. Then I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to pick this OVA template. Click open. Next. I'm going to store on data store 1, so click next. We're going to be VLAN 10, thin provision, and turn off power on because we're going to go in and change the reservations. Click next and click finish. Now we're going to click on Lab Finesse 01, click edit, go into CPU, change this reservation to 0, go down to memory, change that reservation to 0, then we're going to click on CD, Data Store ISO, click on ISOs, Finesse, and then the Finesse ISO. Click select. Now connect and save. Now we're going to power on. Click console, launch remote console, and then we'll maximize the console. Okay, we're going to have to use the keys, so we'll use tab to go to skip and hit enter. We're installing Cisco Finesse. click Tab, hit enter. Yes, we want to install this version, so we'll click enter. We're going to proceed, so we'll hit enter. We're going to continue, so hit enter. Going to go up and select Chicago. Hit tab and then hit enter. We're going to continue here, so hit enter. Then we want to change the MTU size, no, so hit enter. The host name is going to be Lab Finesse 01. The IP address is going to be, actually the host name is going to be labfin01. The IP is going to be 10.110.71. IP mask is going to be 255.255.255.0. And the gateway 10.110.1. Hit tab and now enter. Primary DNS is 10.110.11 and secondary is 10.110.12 and the domain is myhomelabs.us. Hit tab and then enter. Administrator ID is going to be administrator. Put the password in. Hit tab and then enter. Organization, myhomelabs.us. Lab. Here. Missouri. Tab. OK. Enter. Is this the first node? Yes. Hit enter. NTP1 is going to be 10.110.11. Secondary 10.110.12. Tab down to OK and hit enter. Security password. Tab and then enter. This username is going to be admin. Put the password in. Hit tab and then enter. And hit enter for the step. And it's going to go ahead and do the install now. So again, I'm going to pause this until the installation is complete. Well, the installation of Finesse is now complete. So in a later video, I'm going to move on to the configuration of Finesse. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like the video, and see you next time.